War Day number 805. 805 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 8th, 2024. We have not so good news today. Because in today's newspaper we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. There are no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. In today's newspaper. Tomorrow it's here Assassin's Day, so there's also no extra puzzles and no extra no daily newspaper for tomorrow. What I will do is I will find this TV new program here also for tomorrow, TV program of Thursday. Okay. What I will do is on Thursday I will look for an old additional, I believe maybe Monday or the week before, for puzzles for the Thursday. This one will be number 8497. 497, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one is 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Well, this one has 27, so I think it's a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, the question is this a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 4, a should be there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4, I should be there. 4, I cannot continue with the 4 now, I need to wait. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 5 goes there. Let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 5. How about? Need a 9. Oh, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9, 9. Well, 9. I cannot continue with the 9 now. I need to wait. How about the 4 again? 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We have a 4 in the fifth column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. We have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Well, need a 2 here. And I a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be here. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 1 should be here. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1, 1, 1, cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about the number? Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Okay, 5 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now need 3 here, need 8 there, and I need 8, 6, 3. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there, yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 3 here, and I need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 8, and 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row, first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. Then look with 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 6. We have a pair again. The 3 and the 6 in this column, the 3 and the 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. And look, we have 3 and the 6 in this row, so no 3 and the 6 in this box. 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then 7 and 5. 7 and 5, okay. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. And 9. 7, 8, and a 9. Yeah. Need to wait. How about the number 2, 5, 7, 8. 2. No 5 here. Well, in this column we need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be there. And if eliminated there, the 2, so the 2 goes there. So we have 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So to come next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle, well, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing here. Right. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers. Nope. Need a 7. Need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. 9, okay. Yeah. 5, need 2. Come on. 1. Yeah. 1 in this row. 1 in the third row. Some row between the second row. The only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 3 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 in that row. No 1 there. The only place left. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see this number 2, number 1. We have a 9. Oh, no. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 in the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, then 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 7 and 8, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and 3, we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. Not the 3, not the 2 stars. A 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.